Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show us a simple remedy for malaria. So if you want to treat severe malaria or typhoid, this is not the video for that. Okay, this is not the video for that. I already made a video for that. So this is for malaria, this is not for typhoid, this is not for typhoid. So if you want the one of typhoid, malaria and typhoid, I'll be dropping the link in the description box. So check it out. The one for severe malaria and typhoid. So let's treat this one. This is just for malaria, not severe, not for typhoid. So follow me and please click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's go prepare the simple one. So lemongrass is the key ingredient, and that is it there. So we'll be needing lemongrass for this. We also need scent leaf for this. I don't have much, so I'm just going to take little from my scent leaf and add to it. So a good quantity of lemongrass will do the work, and you have to cut it, you have to slice it so that the sizes will become small and it can easily enter your pot, because you can't just put it like that, it's too big. It's either you fold it or you slice it the way I'm doing now. After slicing, this is what I have. This is the lemongrass after slicing. So the next thing is for me to wash this with my scent leaf. So I'll go wash this and come back. So after washing, this is my lemongrass and my scent leaf in the pot. So I'll just cut my scent leaf, and I'll be using the stick, everything about the scent leaf. I'm not removing anything from it. So I'm using everything, just cut it so that it can infuse well. The next is my lime. So I'll be using 2 limes for this. So I'll just cut my lime and drop it there. They are washed, of course, so you have to wash it. The next is our Lipton, and I'll be making use of 4 bags of Lipton. Okay, Lipton tea, 4 bags, because I have enough lemongrass there. But if you're using little quantity of lemongrass, you can use 2 tea bags. Okay, but I'm making use of 4 because this is a very big one for myself and my family. So next is our water, and I'll be adding enough water to cover it properly. I'm satisfied with the water, so I'm just going to put it on fire, okay, in a low heat, and allow it to boil. So it's boiling now. I have to stir it, okay, so I can infuse very well. Stir it well and leave it for extra 5 minutes and turn off the heat and serve when it's warm. Don't serve it when it's hot, don't take it when it's cold. Serve it warm. Welcome back, and this is our drink for malaria. So this is the dosage for adults. So if you're an adult, if you are an adult, this is for you. 1 glass cup is okay. This is not conk, so don't be scared. It's too much. No, it's not too much. This is not like the previous one I made. This is mild. So 1 glass cup is okay. So for older children from like 10 years and above, half a glass cup, okay, half a glass cup. Then for younger children, like 5 years, okay, 10 years below rather, 1 shot is okay. Then from 5 years downward, half a shot. This is not for babies, so don't give it to your baby. From 5 to 2 years is okay. Half a shot is okay. Half. Can you see that? So this is my shot. Half a shot is okay. This drink is not just for malaria alone. Oh. This helps for fever. It helps for cough and catarrh. It also helps for infection. This also treats infection. So, because our scent leaf helps to treat infection, our lime helps to treat infection, our lemongrass helps to treat infection. So imagine combining these things together. So you're not just treating the malaria alone, it will also help to clean your system. So enjoy this drink, and say something in the comment section. Have you tried this before? Do you want to give it a try? Give it a try and get back to me. I will really appreciate your feedback. Okay, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So let's take our drink. So this is a very good drink. It's not harsh. It's mild. Okay, it's mild. This is so good. Give it a try. Prepare this for your family. This will keep them fit. This will keep them active. And you will notice that, yes, something really happening to your system. Something good, of course, is happening to your system. And that is it for today. And I hope you find this helpful. Please click on that like button to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.